Making over six figures without sacrificing your sanity or working yourself to death is totally possible if you play it smart and know where to focus your energy. Alright, so first off, lock down a trade or skill that's in high demand and pays well. Think plumbing, electrical work, or HVAC. Once you're solid at your craft, look for opportunities to get certified or licensed. That usually bumps your paycheck up and makes you way more marketable. Try to stick with a steady 40 to 50 hour work week by setting clear boundaries early on. Say no to overtime unless it's a real emergency. Don't be shy about asking for raises or better gigs once you've built some solid experience under your belt. Consider side hustles related to your field, like small home repairs or consulting, which can bring in extra cash without killing your free time. Use online platforms to find local jobs that don't require travel. This keeps your life stable and stress low. Keep your expenses in check so you're actually saving what you make. Budgeting is key when aiming for that six-figure lifestyle without burnout. Lastly, network with other professionals who've found the balance you want. They often have tips and leads on the best-paying gigs with reasonable hours. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to hit six figures with a decent work-life balance is chasing every overtime hour. This burns you out fast and steals your personal time. Fix it by setting firm limits and looking for employers who respect work-life boundaries. Another common issue is not leveraging certifications or special skills that can seriously boost your hourly rate. Don't sleep on continuing education or licensing programs. The third problem is relying too much on travel jobs that pay well but wreck your routine and family life. Try focusing on local opportunities with consistent hours instead, even if the pay is a bit lower at first. Each of these mistakes can keep you stuck in the grind, but smart planning and knowing your worth will help you break free. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who get the job done right without the hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to score work in your area without chasing endless leads or dealing with sketchy clients.